In today's Procreate video, I'm going to share hidden features that you might not know about. These can improve your workflow and make it a lot more fun to use Procreate. Hello and welcome to Color with Kendi. Let's get straight into the hidden features. Hidden feature number 1 is duplicating layers the fast way. So there are multiple ways to duplicate a layer, but the fastest is to open up the layers menu. Make sure you have the layer selected, and then just use one finger to drag it on to your canvas, and it will duplicate. It will be at the very top. It's that simple, and then you can use your transform tool and move it around. It's as easy as that, just drag and drop. Hidden feature number 2 is making perfect shapes with quick shape. So let's say you wanted to make a perfect circle. Just draw the circle, hold your pencil, don't release it, and put one finger on the screen. You have a perfect circle. You want to make a perfect line? Draw your line, hold it, don't release your pencil off the screen, and you can move it in any direction you want and make it bigger or smaller. And release. If you want to make a perfect triangle, same thing. Draw it, hold it, and you can make it smaller or bigger and just release. So whenever you're making a perfect shape, just draw it and hold it, and it will be a perfect shape every time. Procreate hidden feature number 3 is moving a layer to another canvas. So let's say I've made an illustration and there's a particular aspect of that illustration that I want to copy over to another illustration. Here's how you do it. Go to your layers panel. I'm going to copy over all of these little stars and circles. They're in layer 10. Just drag that layer, tap on gallery, and then go into the other file that you want to drop it into and just drop. So what that will do is it will drop in that new layer into your canvas, and you can go to your layers panel and check that it's there. And then you can resize it and move it around as you see fit. Procreate hidden feature number 4 is finding layers quickly. So let's say you have an illustration which has a bunch of different layers and you need to find a layer really quickly. Instead of going through the layers panel, there is something called layers select. So let's say I wanted to select these white lines. I don't remember which layer it is. Zoom in to whatever you want to select. And then what I'm going to do is hold this and tap. It's told me that it's layer 7. And it's already selected the layer for me, so I can turn it on and off. Layer select is an option that you can turn on in your gestures. Depending on your Procreate gesture settings, you might have something different. So just go to the wrench icon, go to preferences, and go to gesture controls, and then tap on layer select, and then select the one that you like. So what I have is this symbol plus touch. A finger touch while holding that symbol will invoke the layer select. You can select anything else that works for you. Hidden feature number 5 is to lock layers when you don't want to accidentally draw on them. So in this illustration, I have a paper texture layer and I don't want to accidentally draw on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find that layer and then I'm going to lock it. To lock a layer, select it, make sure it's blue, then swipe to the left and lock it. And once you've locked a layer, you can't accidentally draw on it. So that's a really great feature when you know you don't want to accidentally draw on a layer. So I tend to use this feature when I have multiple layers and I don't want to mess up any of the layers. To unlock, simply go to the layer that says lock and swipe again to the left and unlock. It's as simple as that. Hidden feature number 6 is full screen drawing mode. So let's say you're painting something and you don't want to see the menu at the top or the sidebar. You want an experience where you're not encumbered by all of this. What can you do? Take 4 fingers, tap. This will enable full screen drawing mode. To get out of it, you can tap here or again, tap with 4 fingers. Hidden feature number 7, tap and hold a layer to only see that layer. So let's say you have an illustration that has a bunch of different layers and you want to only look at one layer. You don't want to see the rest of them. The slow way would be to turn off all of the other layers, but that can take some time. The faster way is to go to the layer that you want to just see, and then tap and hold on the checkbox, and then you will only see what's in that layer. And then you can work on that layer. And then if you want to see everything else again, tap and hold, and you'll see everything else that you had on. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!